You have complainers and you have hustlers. Hustlers don't ask for permission. We ask for forgiveness. We don't ask for permission. We're going to make things happen. We're not going to allow a situation to keep us from living the lifestyle that we're used to living if all we have to do is hustle a little bit harder. So, to get on that right side of hustling from complaining, just do what need to be done in your life. I had a guy tell me one time when I was in prison. I never forget this because I was a youngster, and I was trying to get myself together. And I remember him telling me something. He said, "Man, you know what? In order for you to get to where you're going, you're gonna have to be willing to work a little bit harder. You're gonna have to be able to grind a little bit stronger. Everything that you are comfortable with, you're gonna have to just forget about that. Throw that out the window. You're gonna have to work till it hurts." And that's just what it is. You know what I mean? But complaining about it is gonna leave you in that same situation. So no matter what happens, even with this virus situation, you can still do what you was planning to do because you was already prepared. You was already getting everything in line because you a hustler, you're an entrepreneur, you're a go-getter. You know what I mean? So those who are not go-getters, those who are complainers, or those who are just workers, they'll look at us like, well, why? How are you being able to do this? How can you do that? How can you? Because we hustling. You know what I mean? You don't tell your left hand what your right hand doing. You know what I mean? And that's the thing when I say, well, we got to have multiple sources of income. We have to have passive income. You want to use your earned income to create passive income. That way, when crisis come like this, you're not tripping, you're not stressed or nothing. You're like, I'm living like I was living before it even happened. The only thing they do was limit where I could go right now. You know what I'm saying? But as far as anything else, I'm still doing what I was doing. So I think that's all about being a hustler, being a go-getter, and preparing, staying prepared. Like I like to say, proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. If you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. You know what I'm saying? So to me, that's very important. Is just stay ready. And if you're on that side of complaining, the only thing you have to do is say, hey, if you're complaining, what that's evidence of? That's evident that you are bored. So when you are bored, that means there's something in your life that you're neglecting. So what is it that you need to be doing besides being negative and hating on somebody else and what they doing? It's something you need to be working on in your life that you're not working on because you hating. Stop hating. Work on those issues that you need to work on. Get over that hump, and you can live like the person that you hating on. Because the only thing they doing is grinding. They refuse to live by the system. So if you live by the system, everything they do, everything that they say is contrary. It's completely different. It's unorthodox. You know what I'm saying? Y'all are not on the same page. That's fine. But once you start doing some work on yourself and you get yourself together, you'll see what they doing. You don't have time to complain or talk about what others or leave negative comments or do nothing because you're hustling. All gone.